What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Alex Ate It All. My name is Alex. I'm currently located in beautiful Mexico City, and I want to take you on a food adventure with me. I want to show you all my favorite spots, my favorite homemade meals, exclusive items that American fast food chains have only here, copycat places that are copycatting places that aren't open or available here yet, and just honestly whatever I feel like eating. But enough chit chat, let's get down to the food. Today we have La Esquina de Chilaquil. They're famously known for the Chilaquiles Torta. And yeah, it's a big guy. We got some Chilaquiles verdes here with a chicken milanesa, which is basically just a chicken cutlet. And yeah, let me cut it so you get a view of the inside. Yeah, so here you see the chilaquiles. You got some refried beans on the bottom and some crema and some queso crema on top. And yeah, it's a great way to start the day, whether you just woke up or you hung over. As I'm drinking Coke in the morning. Breakfast of champions. So this place was heavily featured in the episode of the new Netflix show Heavenly Bites. But even before that, a lot of influencers, a lot of just food YouTubers who are visiting Mexico City will check out this place. And they claim to be the inventors of the Chilaquiles Torta. And like, I don't have any other evidence to dispute that. And I've tried other places, tortas, but this place is easily the best for me. It's so good. I normally don't like my chilaquiles soft. I want it more on the crunchy side when I eat it. Like the sauce just poured out a little bit crunchy still, but for this, I think with the chicken and the bread, and there's the salsa verde they use for this chilaquiles. The right amount of sauce. Okay, in Mexico, I usually eat it with a plastic wrap, but I wanted to show you guys the cross cut and everything. Nice ice cold Coke, dude. This definitely, if anyone comes down to Mexico City, I said, you gotta try this place. But I love sandwiches, so you could put tacos on a torta or anything really, and I'll eat it on a torta. Like a lot of origin stories, you know, like with the burger and stuff. This stand used to just sell chilaquiles, but you know, people gotta move, people gotta walk, people gotta go to work. Put it in the bread, put it in the bolillo for me. Really such a good way to start the day. At the stand, they have this one version of a sandwich called the bomba, which is this, but they put cochinita pibil in it, which is like this shredded pork guisado with chilies and stuff in there. Not too spicy, but takes this torta to a whole nother level. Like you can, yeah, it just makes you so, it's fucking big. It's, like this one on a good day, I could probably eat two, but the first time we went there, because when we used to live around there, we got two of the bombas for eat, and oh man, it was way too much. Now, but for some reason in delivery, no bombas. Yeah, so good, so good. It's a nice fried piece of milanese with some great salsa verde chilaquiles on a nice bolillo roll. So simple, but the taste is crazy. All right, now I'm gonna eat this concha, this classic Mexican sweet bread. And this is condensed milk. Like spreadable condensed milk. Lechera on a concha. And concha, they say it originated from the European settlers that settled in Mexico. Like essentially like a brioche. This is like some cocoa on top. And one of the most common popular sweetbreads you'll see in Mexico. Getting a little musty here, but honestly, you don't even need to put the lechera. It's pretty sweet by itself. But starting off your day with a concha and some coffee, like, starting off your day with the Coke, I don't know if that's a good idea, but it goes perfect with the torta. Not really perfect with this, since it's so sweet. Right. Well, that's about it. I wanted to show you guys the Chilaquiles Torta. And yeah, because one of my favorite spots here. Going there to get it or delivery. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I had a good time making it, and yeah. Please like, subscribe, and turn your notification buttons on. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming soon. And thank you for watching. Peace.